Voice of Colonel Robert Nechunda. Two suspects who were wanted for the murder of a police officer, attempted murder, and a string of house and armed robberies were shot and fatally wounded when they started a gunfight with police in Inanda on Tuesday night, the 12th of August 2025. Police were following up on intelligence regarding the whereabouts of the wanted suspects, and the information led the police to a house at Maplazini area in Inanda. When police arrived at the house, they introduced themselves as police officers and instructed the suspects to open the door. The suspects responded with gunshots toward police officers from inside the house, and police were left with no choice but to return fire in self-defense. During the shootout, two suspects, aged 20 and 21 years old, were shot and fatally wounded. A firearm whose serial number was fired off was found in the possession of the suspects. No police officer was injured during the shootout.